What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about everything you need to know before the market opens tomorrow, from GameStop paying off $200 million in debt, strengthening their balance sheet, to the Coinbase direct listing. Let's cover all of it. But first and foremost, let's talk about this ridiculous market, which is literally still on fire. NASDAQ SPY hitting new highs, with Tesla and Apple being some of the big winners. Let's talk about this valuation here on Coinbase that just came in a couple minutes ago of $65 billion at a price of $250 per share. As we know with IPOs, man, this price tends to creep up higher as we get to it actually opening on the market. We saw that with DoorDash, with Airbnb, the price actually crept up from like 40 bucks a share and ended up opening like at $68, $70 a share. So take this with a grain of salt. Expect a lot of volatility. Take a look at this TD Ameritrade notification here that says, learn more about the risks and potential opportunities. I don't think I saw a notification like this for Airbnb or DoorDash. They just know how much of an insane crowd, the volatility, the pressure that's going to come here for Coinbase tomorrow, in which I'm excited for. I'll talk about how I'm going to trade it at the end of the video. And this was very much apparent seen in Bitcoin, even Dogecoin hitting new highs as well. Ripple, Ethereum were some of the big ones today. As for Coinbase, they've generated in the first quarter around 730 to 800 million in profits. That's more than double of what they did in 2020. With 56 million verified users, these numbers just go to show how vast of a market cryptocurrencies are, and I want a piece of it. Let's see what happens tomorrow. The CPI came in warm, not hot, I would say, with March being 0.6 increase month over month, and year over year it's around 2.6, seeing a lot of upward pressure from energy and gas. The real big news that was really brushed off at market open as the market hit new highs was the fact that the US paused the Johnson & Johnson vaccine due to severe blood clot cases reported in 6 people, in which sadly, if I'm not mistaken, 1 passed away. Rest in peace. And Moderna and Pfizer shot up pre-market due to the fact that Johnson & Johnson had this negative catalyst coming out. Earnings, however, are kicking off tomorrow as the banks report how they performed with rising yields. At the time of this recording, it's at 1.653. Let's see their comments. Let's see what kind of guidance and expectations they have. Tomorrow pre-market, we have Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, First Republic, JP Morgan Chase. We even have BlackRock, which we'll cover at the end of the video, had an important and interesting comment to say. US Bank, Citi, Bank of America, and on Friday, I believe we have Morgan Stanley as well. As for some plays, guys, Tesla has earnings on the 26th, and you know, with earnings on any type of stock, we usually see some momentum or hype, upward trend headed into that earnings date, which is not so far out. And Tesla had a ridiculous day today, up 8.6% as of right now. This is also going to be pushed up by Bitcoin, in which it had this ridiculous $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment at around 34,000 a while ago. That's another catalyst here we have today for Tesla. And the last time we had earnings for Tesla, keep in mind, we rallied and then we dumped right after the market closed. I think that's going to be the case in this scenario as well. Push into earnings. And like always, earnings is literally a gamble, and I think it might dump here as well. In which, of course, I'll be day trading Tesla at these prices. Do I feel comfortable swing trading here around 760s? Absolutely not. The next one is obviously we're still holding GameStop, in which it reported the notice of redemption for 216 million and 10% senior notes due 2023, meaning they just paid off $200 million off their debt 2 years early. Why do they need some of that extra cash? You go back to their 10K. Declare dividends, which obviously hurts the shorts, make payments or redeem, repurchase capital stock, or make distributions in respect of capital stock, or some of the biggest ones, sell assets, or engage, which catches my attention, engage in mergers, acquisitions, or business combinations. We've already speculated the esports arena. SLGG happens to be one of them. GMBL happens to be the next one. Many other out there that we possibly might not even have an idea of, but those are some of the notable ones to keep on watch. This is straight from their 10K. The next one is Apple, which I think is a buy the rumor, sell the news type of catalyst, in which they're going to unveil new iPads, and they said and more on when 420, and the price started shooting up midday, and of course was NASDAQ hitting new highs. Of course, NASDAQ tech heavy. Apple started pushing to new highs as well. Coin, how am I going to trade Coinbase tomorrow? I'm going for absolutely a day trade. I don't feel safe or comfortable investing in this yet. I still need to see what type of support and resistance levels this stock has. Volatility is definitely going to be there. That's one of the main catalysts for a day trade. I'm not chasing this out of the gate. Be very patient. There's no need to chase it. No need to get caught holding a bag. Also, who else is patient? BlackRock. They're running the highest level of cash they had in years. They were Ryder was on CNBC earlier, and he said they're sitting on a lot of cash. The market is hitting new highs. We expect a healthy retracement, a healthy pullback. I'm eyeing Tesla, I'm eyeing Apple, I'm eyeing all these big tech stocks. Viacom, Discovery are also ones that I'm also hoping for a swing play, in which I stated it might take months for that one to actually pan out and see some profits. So don't tie a lot of your capital in there. But there's nothing wrong with sitting with some cash on the sidelines. I guess you can say I have a modest chunk of cash on the sidelines. That's pretty much it for this video. Those are some of the plays I have. Of course, I'll keep you updated if anything comes on the radar via the Discord, via the live chat. Discord is the first thing down below, via the live stream, or here on YouTube. With that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning on in. If you could do me a little favor, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on the video. It helps out a lot. A comment down below with your thoughts, your ideas, and your plays. And I will see you guys tomorrow for an exciting and volatile trading day. Take care, guys.